Why am I so indecisive? Hi, I'm Alice Rizzi, and I work with a lot of clients who feel stressed out, anxious, worried, and who spend a lot of their time worrying and ruminating about something that either happened in the past or something that may or may not happen in the future. And what they notice is in this present moment, they feel stuck. There's a million decisions that we have to make in any given week, and the thing is, the more decisions you present yourself with, the more you're going to feel tired and like you're just not good at making a decision. You're going to keep doubting yourself. And this can be something as simple as, should I have the cereal or the waffles for breakfast? It could be, should I wear the black shirt or the blue shirt? But it can also apply to more major decisions like, should I move countries? Should I get married? Should I have children? And the more you give yourself these questions, the more you're going to doubt yourself as somebody who's able to make confident, clear decisions. You start thinking, wow, I'm just bad at making decisions. Look at all of these options I have, and I'm not picking any of them because you keep giving yourself more decisions to make. And then you're solidifying this identity as, I'm just somebody who's bad at making decisions. I never know what to do. I'm just so indecisive. Now, there are a few tricks to getting past this, and they're actually not as complicated as you think. And I address some of them in my free audio reset from Stuck to Started, and you can get it below at togethermindful.com. So, if you want to learn more about what keeps you stuck in this loop of being indecisive and feeling so tired by these decisions, check it out. And if this video was helpful, like and subscribe for more.